Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. My name is Jas, and we actually did talk about the Arduino interface with MATLAB last time we were on. So this time we are talking about our assignment number third, which is how to make use of 3D Slicer to segment out a particular area from our uh, area of interests that we from the, for example, from the MRI image or the CT scan image. If you want to segment out an area that shows us uh, the area where the patient might have cancer or anything, and we want to segment out that particular area for uh, more case study and create a 3D model of that particular area. So we can do that using 3D Slicer. And the second part of our assignment is how to register two different images, one which is fixed and the other one which is moving together, and get an optimized solution for two different images. So let's begin with the 3D Slicer. If you can see here, I have a lot of sets of data. It says download MRI head, CD chest, CTA cardio, then DTI brain, and then MR brain tumor 1, brain tumor 2. So let's just start with let's just do the MRI of the head, the skull that we have, and this is how it looks like. Right, so I can segment out any particular area that I want from this. For example, for this particular video, I'm gonna take the center portion that looks like a heart right in the middle of the brain, where you have the spinal cord connected to it right here, if you can see. So these are the eyes and this is the nose. I can take any particular area. I can take the nose, or I can segment out the eyes, or anything. If you can see, this is the side view, this is the back view of your skull, this is the spinal cord running down, and this is the top view. And this particular area is going to show you the 3D model of the area that you segment out from this particular images, right? So let's begin. Let's go to the editor page, apply the changes, then click on having a threshold image. So what this does is this will make sure that we are in the particular area that we want to be in, and this, let's just segment out this particular area for our image. I'm going to do it for a couple of more MRI datas. But if you can see, if you can see, it's changing a little. If you can see, it's going a little smaller right here. Something like this is our area of interest, right? So I think this should be enough. If you can see, these are the particular areas that we segmented. If you want, it can actually shrink to a different level too, right? So let's just take this too, just to show you the segmentations. And I think these are enough slides, right? So now if you can see the area that we have segmented out here too, right? And even on the back view of the skull, right? So let's go to surface models, model maker, and then we would create a new model hierarchy. Rest everything should be fine. Yes, then we will apply the changes, and this is what we get. So this is our 3D model. If you can see, I have segmented out. So this is the particular area that you can see. This is from these slides. So you can see this portion. This is from the slides where you can see the middle part as the heart shape, right? And there was the one prior to that was a little more circular. So if you see over here, these parts are a little more circular, and then this will be the thickness of the area that we actually tried to segment out. And this is the frontal part that we had number of slides. So this is how we segment out a particular area on 3D Slicer. Now I'm going to show you the second part of the project, which I have not successfully got an output to. So this is my code for what I told you about was the image registration for 2 different models. So what we did was we created a GUI, graphical user interface for this, and if I run it right here, this is my graphical user interface. I have 3 different axes. So one axis is going to show me the fixed image, the other is going to show me the third one is going to show me the moving image, and the middle one is going to show me the result of the optimized image that I want to. So if you see, there are 3 buttons, right? Image girl, then registration, and then image M girl. So image M girl is the moving image of the girl, and image girl is the normal image of the girl, right? So if I click this, I get this, right? So I have to select 4 points. So let me say I take 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, and then I click on image M girl. I have to select the same points, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what happens usually is if I click this button, registration, which I have coded for optimizing the 2 particular images together and giving the resultant image, and if in a general case we click on this, we do get the optimized image that we are looking for, and in most of the cases we do get that, but I am actually not. So if I click on this, I get a black screen, and I'll try and fix this and get back to you guys and show you the exact optimized image that I can come up with. There are just a few changes that I need to make, and I should be good to go. Thank you so much.